Hey, be honest for a second. How many hours have you wasted scrolling TikTok, binge-watching shows you don't even like that much, or rewriting the same to-do list over and over? Yeah, me too. But what if I told you there's a way to stop wasting time, and actually grow into the person you want to become, using artificial intelligence? No, not some sci-fi robot stuff. I'm talking about real, powerful, and free tools that can literally help you upgrade your life, starting today. So if you're tired of feeling stuck, this might be the most important video you'll watch this year. Let's go. Hey, I'm George. And after over a decade creating content and testing productivity hacks, AI tools, and tech gadgets, one thing is clear. We're in a brand new era. AI is not just for coders and scientists anymore. It's for students, creators, parents, side hustlers, and anyone who wants to get their life together, level up, and make progress faster than ever before. This video isn't about replacing you with robots. It's about using AI to become more of who you already are. And trust me, once you start using the tools I'm about to show you, your biggest regret will be not starting sooner. So stick around till the end, because the last tool on this list, it's a game changer that helped me sleep better, think clearer, and completely changed how I plan my week. Let's start with the obvious one. 1. ChatGPT, your personal growth companion. Alright, let's get the big name out of the way first. ChatGPT, you've probably heard of it, maybe even tried it. But are you using it for actual growth? Let me show you how. Example. Let's say you want to become more confident. Instead of Googling how to be confident and falling into a rabbit hole of 200 blog posts, you ask ChatGPT, "Hey, I struggle with self-confidence in meetings. Can you help me build a 7-day plan to improve it with small daily challenges?" Boom, instant plan. Action steps, encouragement, all tailored to you. You can ask it for daily affirmations, morning routines, fitness plans, guided journaling prompts, self-reflection exercises. ChatGPT is like having a coach, a therapist, and a best friend who's available 24/7 and doesn't charge you by the hour. And yes, there's a free version. So no excuses. 2. Notion AI, the smartest life planner you'll ever use. Ever feel like your life is a mess of sticky notes, random reminders, and a to-do list that never ends? Same. That's why I started using Notion AI. It's basically a life OS that thinks for you. Example. I asked Notion AI to help me turn my scattered goals into a weekly plan. It sorted them into health, career, personal, and learning, then gave me daily tasks. Not bad for something that took less than 5 minutes. You can write journals that it summarizes, plan goals and auto-generate steps, track habits and reflect with AI-generated insights, brain dump your thoughts, and get clarity in seconds. Notion AI doesn't just store your ideas, it helps you organize and act on them. It's like hiring a personal assistant that lives in your laptop. Let's get real. Most of us suck at time management. We plan our week and then everything blows up. Meetings, distractions, burnout. Reclaim fixes that. What is it? It's a smart calendar that finds time for you to work on your goals, even when your schedule is full. Example, you set a goal, work out 3 times a week. Reclaim automatically finds the best time in your calendar and protects it. Same with reading, journaling, working on a side hustle, whatever you choose. This is the tool that turns intentions into reality. No more "I didn't have time," because now you do. One of the biggest signs of personal growth, lifelong learning. But online learning today is broken. Too many sources, too much fluff, too little time. That's where Perplexity AI comes in. It's like ChatGPT, but with real-time web access and citations. Example, want to learn how to start investing for beginners? Perplexity pulls in top sources, explains it in simple language, and even gives you follow-up questions to keep learning. You get summarized info from credible sources, no ads, no fluff, direct links if you want to dive deeper. It's like having a hyper-smart tutor who actually respects your time. Writing isn't just for authors, it's how we think, communicate, apply for jobs, build brands, and make ideas real. But if writing feels hard, messy, or overwhelming, GrammarlyGO can literally change your life. Example, you're journaling, and you want to write about your goals, but your thoughts feel scrambled. Paste them into GrammarlyGO and ask, "Can you organize this into a structured reflection and add a positive tone?" The result? A clear, motivating summary of your thoughts, written by you, enhanced by AI. You can use it for resumes and cover letters, daily journals, blog posts, emails to mentors or coaches, social media captions that actually sound smart. This tool helps you write like the best version of yourself, even when your brain is fried. Let's talk about mental growth, mindfulness, reflection, healing. Most of us know we should journal, but we don't. Why? Because we don't know what to say or how to start. Mindsera fixes that with AI-powered prompts, mindset coaching, and deep reflection tools. Example, You open the app and it asks, "How did you handle stress today?" You type your answer and the AI reflects back on your response like a therapist would, offering insights, questions, and encouragement. It's wild. This isn't just journaling, it's cognitive transformation in your pocket. And yeah, it helped me through some dark moments when I felt stuck. Real talk. SaneBox, clean your mind by cleaning your inbox. Your inbox is a battlefield. Newsletters, spam, random notifications, important stuff buried. And when your inbox is a mess, your mind feels like a mess too. SaneBox is an AI that organizes your email for you, automatically. Example, you connect it to Gmail and instantly your emails are sorted. Important stuff in one folder, distractions in another. You don't even have to think about it. This tiny habit saves hours a week and frees up mental bandwidth so you can focus on what matters. More clarity, more growth. 11 Labs, hear your thoughts, speak your vision. You ever wish you could talk instead of write your goals? Or record your affirmations and listen to them in your own voice? 11 Labs lets you clone your voice and turn your ideas into spoken words. It sounds freakishly real. Example, I wrote my personal mission statement, fed it to 11 Labs, and now I listen to it every morning in my own voice, hyping myself up. It's like having future me coaching present me. This is next level mindset work. It's weirdly powerful. And yes, people are even using this for guided meditations, daily mantras, and visualization exercises. You gotta try it to believe it. Feedly, AI upgrade what you consume. Growth isn't just about doing more, it's about consuming better. Your mind is a garden. What you feed it matters. Instead of doom scrolling, use Feedly AI. It curates the best news, blogs, and thought leadership you care about, and filters the noise. Example, I told Feedly I want to learn more about psychology, habit formation, and biohacking. Now, every morning I get a clean AI-curated feed of just that. No distractions, it's like having a personal research assistant that knows what you care about before you even do. Claude.ai, the emotional AI friend. Okay, last one. And it's a bit personal. Claude is an AI that's more emotionally aware than ChatGPT. It's designed to talk like a thoughtful human. I use it when I feel overwhelmed, unsure, or just need to talk through something. Example, I once typed, I feel behind in life, everyone seems to be doing better than me. Claude responded like a friend would, kind, reflective, grounding. It didn't give me cliches, it gave me perspective. If you need a safe, judgment-free space to unpack your feelings, try Claude. Seriously, here's the truth. These tools won't magically fix your life, but they will remove friction, organize your chaos, remind you of who you want to be, and give you the systems to actually grow. You still have to show up, you still have to do the work. But with AI in your corner, the work gets lighter, smarter, faster, and instead of wasting time scrolling through junk, you'll be building the life you actually want. So now the question is, what's one area of your life you want to grow in? Confidence, focus, sleep, mindset, money, pick one. Then try one of these tools for the next 7 days, just one. And if you want a shortcut to all of them, I've made a free Notion template that links every AI tool in this video with step-by-step instructions on how to use each for personal growth. Links in the description, go grab it. Also, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly AI-powered life upgrades, and let me know in the comments, which tool are you starting with? This isn't about productivity for productivity's sake, it's about becoming who you were meant to be. Let's grow, together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stop scrolling, start growing. You've got this.